English with Teacher Yugen. Hello, little farmers. Welcome to the barnyard. Today, we are going to meet some amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Can you guess which animal this is? It's big, loves grass, and says, Can you guess what is it? That's right. It's a cow. Cows live on farms and give us milk. Oh, look! The baby cow is coming. Baby cows are called calves. Now, let's move on to the next animal. Here's a fast and strong animal. It loves to run and says, Can you guess what is it? That's correct. It's a horse. Bravo! Horses help farmers and they can run super fast. And this is a baby horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Perfect. Now let's see our next animal. Oh, what's this? It's a small, feathery friend. It lays eggs and says, Yes, you got that right. It's a chicken. Chickens scratch the ground for food. A baby chicken is called a chick. They are very cute. Let's see which animal is this. This animal loves to roll in the mud and says, Yes, that's true. It's a pig. Pigs roll in the mud to stay cool. And did you know? Pigs are very smart animals. Oh, how about this animal? This animal is fluffy, loves grass, and says, That's right. It's a sheep. Sheep have wool, which is used to make warm clothes. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Now, let's see if you remember the barnyard animals. You will hear a sound, and you guess the animal. Ready? Which animal makes this sound? You are correct. Cows make this sound. How about this? Which animal makes this sound? Exactly. Horses sound like this. And which animal makes this sound? Correct. Sheep make this sound. This is the last one. Which animal makes this sound? Exactly. Chickens sound like this. Congratulations. That was so much fun. Now you know all about farm animals. Which animal was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun learning.